What is up, guys? It is Noob Killer Mike here, and welcome back to yet another weekly vlog. Just got home from a game and practice. We ended up finishing up our game, and then we went straight to practice for about 2 hours or something like that. Crazy, but I'm absolutely destroyed. We actually ended up winning 40-0, which is awesome. Kind of makes up for the varsity loss, but it is what it is. Gonna go hop in the shower, just kind of relax because I'm like all sore, dinged up, whatever. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Alright guys, so it is probably around 9 o'clock right now. Literally just been hanging out all day. My knee is like killing me, so I'm trying to stay off it. But it is what it is. I iced it. It should be good for tomorrow. I don't know though. But anyway, that'll be it for tonight. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Alright guys, so now back home from school and practice. I'm actually going to head and take a shower, and then I'm off to a coach's house to watch some film with the linebackers, stuff like that. So I'll see you guys later. Bye. Alright guys, so it is now Wednesday. Just got back from practice. Another great practice. Just took a shower, all cleaned up. Gonna head downstairs, eat some food, do some homework, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Alright guys, so I know that this is like probably super cliche of a YouTuber to be saying this, but I really do want to thank you guys for all the support that you've been giving me in the past couple of years, even vlogging. I've been vlogging for a year and probably around 6 to 7 months, and it's awesome. Like I've said a million times before, vlogging has changed my life, and I really don't show how appreciative I am of you guys enough. So that's kind of one of the big reasons that I started to make those t-shirts that I've been telling you guys about. They are actually done now, so if you guys would leave a comment down below if you want a t-shirt, you make sure to let me know what size you want. They are going to be $20, but anyway, I do want to say thank you guys so much. Right now we're at something like 324 subscribers, which I know really isn't anything big, but to me it is absolutely amazing that 324 people may not always watch my videos, but have at least taken that few seconds that it takes to click the subscribe button, and I want to thank every single one of you. I love you all. Anyway, guys, that'll pretty much be it for today. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Jake,
stop the toe, execute.
Excuse me.
Oh my God,
Jake,
I got freaking
Jake,
goosebumps, dude.
How do you feel about this fire drill?
Oh, I feel pretty good. Oh, it's nice and sunny out. Yeah.
Yeah. Dom, how do you feel?
Jake is a crackhead. That's all I need to say.
Oh, okay.
Domino Lopo.
Now, how do you feel about that comment?
I feel pretty good about it because I have a lot of energy.
Okay.
I need to run, yeah.
That's enough. That's enough. Alright guys, so I'm now back home from practice and school. I've been trying to look for this song, and it is an absolute banger, but I'm not sure if it's copyrighted. I want to use it in the vlog, and I'm pretty sure you guys will know if I've used it in the vlog, because this song is just absolutely amazing, but can't get copyrighted, so I gotta look and check that first. Anyway, headed off to 99 to another team dinner, so I'll see you guys then.
Okay, time out. The grip. I know.
The grip, baby.
My dad's an arm wrestler. Here we go. Alright.
One. Are you ready, bro? One.
Time out.
Jesus, dude.
Right there.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, grab that.
You lifted your elbow, you little scam.
No, I'm not. His head is like all the way in my lap.
You look at your elbow.
It's meant to pull towards you. Take the L. Take the
Look at
L.
this, baby. I know the little trick though. I know this.
Alright guys, so it is now the next day. It is after school. I am currently on my way to Paul's to go do like my exercise and stuff, and then get taped up for the game. So gonna be hanging out for the next hour or so, and then I'll see you guys later. Bye. Alright guys, so I'm now back home from the game. We ended up winning 58-14 in the last quarter, the fourth quarter. We ended up putting in a bunch of like kids that haven't really played in varsity yet, and one of the kids included me, and I went in for defense. I had probably like 3 tackles and 1 forced fumble or something like that, so that's really good. Hopefully kind of got someone's attention, so that way maybe I have a better chance of playing varsity at some point later in the season. Anyway, that'll pretty much be it for today. We got a busy day tomorrow, so see you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, so back home now, new haircut. It's kind of like this comb over thing. I really like it, came out awesome. And we have the new Noob Killer Mike t-shirts. This time it's black, and it actually does have a design on the back this time. It says Noob Killer Mike with a little YouTube logo up here in the corner. I have 12 shirts made. I believe I have 3 smalls, 4 mediums, and 4 large. So if you guys do want a t-shirt, make sure to let me know. They are going to be $20. So now I'm just gonna probably take a nap because I have work at 3 and I'm a little bit tired, so I'm gonna take a nap, head off to work. So see you guys later. Bye. Okay, so I'm now back home from work. It was a really long day. It was some like beekeeper association meeting or something like that. It was something really weird. But anyway, back home now. I'm headed off to bed. I have CCD in the morning. So that'll pretty much be it for this week's vlog. I'm gonna cut it here. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget, if you guys do want a Noob Killer Mike t-shirt, to leave a comment down below and come up to me in person, maybe in school or something like that, and let me know so that I can get you one. Once again, they are $20, so make sure, if you guys really want one, make sure to let me know. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.